Go faster, man.
Shut up.
Don't touch the sides.
Don't touch the sides.
I'm trying not to, but
Go slow.
It's okay. Just go slow.
Especially on that part.
I can see that. Where did you find this game?
I just found it online. It was really fun though, but
Is this like impossible?
no, it's not. Just do it.
It's like,
Don't mess up.
just go. Nothing's gonna happen. It's just dumb. Thank you, Jesus.